Oh, hello everybody. Oh no, my hat's gone. Thank you so much for the interception.
Yes.
What are we doing for Thanksgiving? I don't think it's going to be a potluck outdoors. If there were plans of having, we're at the down in Quartzsite at the Bonndockers Bash event, and we have our own kind of. We're outside of the main camp, but our own little circle here is pretty dang big in itself. But that's over on the other hill a little bit. This is just our little group, and as you can see, it's windy, and all the lawn chairs went flying. All of a sudden, the winds just came in. Lawn chairs are flying. It's time to put some stuff away and tie stuff up. Woo! And some of us are smart enough to go inside. All right, Scotty, what are we gonna do with all these chairs, Scotty?
Well, I assume they're going to stay there.
That's it.
But all I can do is lay them down like that.
I'm surprised your solar panel over there hasn't gotten. Oh, you have a bungee
But the wind is actually hitting it in a good direction.
pushing it up against that pole.
I don't know if it's worth the couple amps I'm getting for that, but
Yeah, those lawn chairs went flying. There was a box of. There's a box, tarps. Everybody hustled to put stuff away. A little cart for his dog. It was sitting over here, and the wind blew it across here. As you can see in the shadow, in the shadows of the little red cart. It went flying across here and banged up against Grady's little trailer here. Hey boy. There, it's actually calmed down a little bit. Uh-oh, I think here comes more. I see the dust coming. Anyway, I think there's plans are going to change. Excuse me. There's already been talk of, hang on a minute, I know it's too windy even for this mic. So, this is crazy, what's happening, she says. The flags, look, the flag's on a raise. It looks like Ed's doing 50 miles an hour backwards.
Crazy. Oh my God. Damn.
Yeah.
Time.
Yeah. Okay, time for evasive action. Wow, I'll hide behind this trailer for a minute. I seen the forecast this morning. Winds were supposed to pick up this afternoon, but so I put my awnings in. Oh, I got dust in my eyes. Wow. Anyway, I think some plans are going to change. Potlucks are nice, but I mean, weather permitting, and weather's not permitting with winds like this. We had already talked about possibly going to a restaurant. Well, there's an aluminum can. Somebody had an unsecured aluminum can. There was already talk of maybe going to a restaurant this year. Some of us were. Just going to a potluck dinner, or not, to a restaurant, saving the mess and the cleanup and, you know, all that. I think we're definitely going to do that now. Well, it depends what the winds do. I mean, it might not be windy tomorrow or Thanksgiving. We'll see what happens. I don't know when. I'll probably resume this video maybe tomorrow or Thanksgiving, or maybe I'll wrap it up here today. I don't know. But this is pre-Thanksgiving, obviously. That was nuts. All right, I'll be back. Okay, maybe this will just be a quick short video for an update that, you know, weather can change Thanksgiving potluck plans to a restaurant instead. And you know what, if I'm gonna have my awning out, I always look at the hourly forecast for that day. This morning it was 3 to 4 mile an hour winds until about noon, and then 2 o'clock or so it was supposed to pick up all the way, just suddenly up to like 20 some mile an hour winds. And I think some of these gusts have been well above that. So if you're gonna have your awning out, pay attention to the forecast, because if those would have been out and that wind would have came, it probably just ripped that awning off, busted the arms. I mean, that'd been it. You know, that repairs a few $100 or so. And somebody else, I obviously didn't look at the forecast and they were hustling. It may have gotten damaged, but anyway, that stuff happens. So yeah, just that's it. That's all I got. That's all I got today. Thanks for watching our videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.